आकाशवाणी इम्फाल Ngangom Kiran pau pajari ahanbada maruiba pau sahi amaga tha taramathoi fajilaklaba Manipur gi irang ngasi Supreme Court ki just mangana saba mihut kangbo amana laktunu yengsinkhre Rajapal Ajay Kumar Bhalana iroi shombagi College of Agriculture masung lamphel pat ki College of Food Technology da nauna semgatpa infrastructure singamadi innovation project kaya hangdokre IGAR South Major General Rabarup Singh na hairi Manipur tholiba irang asi loisinduna santi purakna bhanabada nupi singi thodang yamna chawi Manipur Youth League Mayol na sinba numitni chathagadaba Youth for National Regeneration ngasidagi Imphal da hokre amasung ISRO na hairi kumjali singani ni pu fawgi manungda Bharat na thagi lemai de khongdana ba honari sahi amaga tha taramathoi fajilaklaba Manipur gi irang ngasi Supreme Court ki just mangana saba mihut kangbu amana laktunu yengsinkhre National Legal Services Authority ki Executive Chairman Suwariba Justice B.R. Gavaina Lusingba George Kangbu Odu ngase yukpung mapan adwaida Imphal gi Bir Tikendrajit International Airport tunglaki Mahak loina rakibata George Singh adudi Justice Bikramnath Justice M.M. Sundresh Justice N. Kotisor Masung Justice K.B. Biswanathan ni Makhoi ki manung da Justice B.R. Gavai Justice Bikramnath Masung Justice M.M. Sundresh na helicopter tongdona Sorasanpur da satki makhoi na Sorasanpur gi Tuibong Multipurpose Hall da Legal Services Camp Analaying gi Camp Legal at Clinic sing hangdokhi tungda handak irang asida lanjen raktuna Sorasanpur ge Sadbhavana Mandap Relief Camp talairiba miyoi singda tengbangi polam sing suyan thokki khongchat adu the High Court of Manipur gi Chief Justice Justice D Krishna Kumar Masung Justice Golmai Gaiful Silusu Sarukyaki Sorasanpur dagi halaklaba matungda ngasi nungthil Bishnupur jila gi Moirang College Relief Camp ta Judge Singh aduna Legal Services amasung analaying camp sing hangdokhi Thormadu the Supreme Court ki atoba judge ani Justice N. Kotisor amasung Justice K.B. Biswanathan su Sarukyaki Makhoina lanjenarak tuna lairiba miyoi singa unadana wari sanaki lanjenarak miyoi singi maikaidagi memorandum amasu Judge Singh kangbo du da piki Judge Singh aduna Rajya sida thuwa matamda sandi hanjalaklagani haina phongdokhi masigidamak laingakna darkar leba thabak sing paikhatli haina su pawdomki thoromadu da wangangbada Justice B.R. Gavai na hai
I appeal to the legal fraternity, judicial officers, government agencies and civil society organizations to continue working together to strengthen legal aid services in the state. The ultimate goal should be to ensure that no individual in any part of the country, including Manipur, regardless of their economic background, gender or community, feels that justice is out of reach. The true success of legal aid lies not in the number of cases fought, but the lives it changes, the rights it restores, and the dignity of it.
National Legal Services Authority Gimijang Makhada Manipur Legal Services Authority na District Legal Services Authority Sandal District Administration Tengnopal amasung Tengnopal gi Chief Medical Officer ga khusumnaduna Tengnopal jila gi Tengnopal High School Jatri Niwas Relief Camp More amasung Kwatharasu Legal Aid and Services amasung analaying camp sing pangtokki hayengna Manipur High Court lingat khibagi sahi taranithoi mapung pharakpagi thorumda Supreme Court ki judge sing asi saruk yagani hairi Rajapal Ajay Kumar Bhalana ngasi iroi shembagi College of Agriculture amasung lamfelpat ki College of Food Technology da nauna semgutpa infrastructure sing amadi innovation project kaya hangdokre Rajapal ki khongchat aduda iroi shembagi College of Agriculture da nauna saba girls hostel amasung type 4 gi staff quarter sangaki Tungda Sri Bhalana Lamfelpat ki College of Food Technology da laktuna Biofolk Unit amasung Food Processing Pilot Plan gi phimam yengsinki maphamadu da Tulasi gi mahau yauba ising shungpham unit amasu Rajapal na sangaki lanjenar tun lariba miyoi singda Rajapal na chinjak sem sabada changwa polam sing suyan thoki Rajapal ki khongchit aduda Central Agricultural University Imphal ki Vice Chancellor Dr. Anupam Mishra su sarukyaki Manipur University ki court holding asi Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament ki Jila Thak ki Youth Parliamentary Festival pangthokre thormadu sarukyakiba Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor and Lokendra Nahai Ganatantra ki thabak thorom sing mai panana bohanabada Naharul Singh thodang yamna chawi Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament asi Naharul Singh phajarba wakalon sing phongdopham oibata natana samasya kaya gi walushin purakna wakalon sing puthokpham nainapam amasu oiribani asigumba mifamsingda laurukpa fajaraba warepsing media da fongduna jati asibu sangatpagi mayon chumbada sijinaba yagadoribani mahakna hai.
Dear participants, I would like to remind you that Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, he had a big dream for all of you. Honorable Prime Minister is interested that the youths and the students, you should be properly equipped in different aspects of life. You should be exposed to different aspects of the developmental process of the country. Honorable Prime Minister is interested to make you a very aspirational group of young students and youths who would be leading the country by 2047 when India becomes a big city Bhavan.
Tharomaduda Imphal West, Imphal East, Bishnupur, Thoubal amasung Kakching jila singdagi lakpa naharol 63 romna saruk yaki. Tabiriba pawasi Akashvani Imphal dagini. Laibak asigi tongan tuanba Raja Singhi lol amadi chanabi kayabu khangminaduna amato ibagi wakalon sagatnaba Kolkata amadi Gujarat sakhiba Manipuri nupi singi jati gi khongchet ngasi Imphal da halakrai. Mapun suba sector Assam Rifles na sinduna Manipur gi tongan tuanba phurp ki ima sing saruk yaduna satkiba khongchet adu loiduna Imphal thunglakibada Inspector General Assam Rifles IGR South ki Major General Rabarup Singh amasung ARWWA gi Regional President Nabjit Kaurna Taramna Okhi Mantripukida laiba IGR South ki Haplong Hall da pangthokiba thorum aduda Assam Rifles ki makok thongba official sing saruk yaki Manipur ki tongan tuana mafam singdagi lakpa phurup kayagi ima ibel singna saruk yaduna sarkiba khongchet aduda Gujarat ki Ahmedabad Gandhinagar amasung Kolkata gi maru iba mafam kayada satki loinana Raja ani asigi Governor amadi Army ki makok thongbulu singba singunoduna khunaida amatoibagi waklon sagatuna awonba purakpada nupi singna loriba thaudangi matangda khanaki Khongchet loi singbu taramna oloduna Major General Rabarup Singh na hai Manipur tholibi irang asi loisinduna santi purakpada nupi singi thaudang yamna chaui irang asina maram oiduna awaba tarba miyo singbu mateng pangba tangai fadi mahana hai irang asigi tung koiba warosinama puraknaba phurp anigi nupi lusingba sing punna phaminaduna wari sanabagi tanja ama longnanaba honari Nakalamoromda Khongchet loisingna pukhalakiba Manipur gi maru oiba turel sing masak thongna semgatpa amadi Imphal West ki Langolda haikol ama semgatnaba thamlaki wapam mari leinaba singa tanuduna thabak to onthoknaba su honagani mahakna hai.
Let's make sure that whenever we plan this group next time we have all communities going together as a big happy team, as a big happy family, and we as Assam Rifle we will always support you till the time there is no violence. You, in a democracy, we must protest for our rights. Whenever we feel that our rights have not been met, whatever we as a society are supposed to get, and the organization, the administration is not able to give us that, please make sure that your voice is heard. But that voice should be heard in a non-violent way.
Security Force Nangasayok Senapati Jilagi Henbung Village da Tibomagi Tawuk Chatabada Ball Action Single Barrel Rifle Mari Amashung Noimaru Taramanga Fagat Lehari Police ki pawn hai hari mapam aduda Security Force na yumthong chama yankhirom da sangduna miyo chani yankhai masak khangdoki Amoromda Thobal District Police na Lilong Singkham Tamayai Lamkhaida achat awok sing sector wada gari huran bada chenaba Lilong Haurebi awang laikai digi miyo ama phare mangondagi Honda Activa 5G ama su fangle pharba miyo du Lilong Police Station da sinakre haidi Manipur Youth League Mayol na sinduna Youth for National Regeneration hai bihiramda nominee chathagadaba Youth Conclave ngasidagi Imphal gi Palace Compound laiba lamyan ba sanglenda hokrai Mifam asigi matangda mayol na thadorakpa cherol amada hai Manipur gi hauzik oriba luraba tanpam asida tungi yumbi ore kadoriba naharol singi wakalon achumba maikaida punabagi pandamda mifam asi pangthokpani lamdam asibu anawo langon amada purakna bhanabada naharol singna lawdaba thaudang ningthina nainaba tangai phadi ngasi ahobu namita Impact TV ki chief editor Yumna Murupachandran na moderator oiraga itihaskar Dr. Malem Ningthauja Diam University ki associate professor Dr. Arambam Noni amasung thabakta ki potharaba IAS Dr. RK Nimaina resource person singoiduna wangangki tharomadu wangangbada Dr. Arambam Noni na asumna phongdokki
Youth sing na masigi ethnic or homeland sebe project asida soiriba mayamti puthoktu nainaba ngambagi research amasu understanding lairabadi Manipur gi future je khara makhaidi safe oini hana khali youth singi role asi adugi matik chawi India si youth ki population na 60% mok oiba lamni khangi baduni khoi Manipur su adugi mati youth ki population si yamni yami ado ai khoi youth singi role ase aina nuaijada basi classroom da gumba sum yengwa matamda angang singida paning ba haining ba hangning base yamna wasilak pam uba hai patare masi yamna chawba crisis amani sini
Sorasanpurda Lanjanartuna Relief Camp Talairibe Sahi Mapan Kaktangairibi Piglibinupi Masama Sina Punkibagi Tawangadabu Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights na Yamnakan Yaning the Fongdorakli. Commission 6 Chairperson Kaisham Pradip Kumar Thador Pacharola Madahai Atai Maram Kaya Lairabasu Asigumbi Piglibinupi Masama with Tamtin Halam Baibasi Yamna Tawhidaba Tawang Amani. Manipur hojik tholiba irang asiga mari lenen thokiba tamthiba thodok kayada mara lejidraba pigliba angang kaya lekhidabasi commission asina yamna hakchina lawi thodo asigi matangda commission na sumoto case malokhlagani Senapati District Administration tongan tonba stakeholders singa khosam naduna sinba Clean Senapati River campaign gi sorok ama oina ngasi Mount Everest College parking dagi kathiko karong phabu kilometer nipalom sangba turel gi sorok sing sangdok gi thorma pangthokrai Public Health Engineering Department amasung Eco Network Manipur na punna sinduna Glacier Preservation haiba hiramda malemgi isingi namit thorum ngasi Hairok Part 2 Singdongpok ta pangthokrai Nagaland ge Yasem Khulda African Swine Fever sandork libasigi yanglaga lenga kimari lenaba department section thorang lokot pinaba UCM awang sangma unit na fongdorakli as African Swine Fever gi matang dalam damadong gi farmer sing amasung miyam da ningthina khangan bagi thorum singsu pangthok pinanaba hairi Akaswani Imphal gi pau tabiri Indian Space Research Organization ISRO gi chairman Dr. B. Narayan Nahari kumjali singani fu fawgi manungda Bharat na thagile mai da khongdana na honari haujik sanaba gi pau Heirangkhongjam Bhavan dagi
Kuntrataret suba N Hazari N Tombi State Polo Tournament lising ani kungamangagi ngasi sanakiba matchta Black Watch Polo Club Babu Parana Assam Rifles Polo Team Ebu Panjil Tarama Thuit Nipanda Thuikre atopa match amada MPSC Team B na Tentha Polo Club Ebu Panjil Taret Marida Thuiki Taret suba Manipur State League Lising ani kungamari kungamangagi ngasi sanakiba matchta Football Club Lamjauna Neroka FC bu Panjil Taret anida Thuikre atopa match amada United Brothers FC na Sai RC bu Panjil ani amada Thuiki Ahanba Pangolin Club Cup lising ani kungamangagi champion Sadar Hills FC na oire ngasi Astro Turf Ground Senapati da sanakiba final match ta Sadar Hills FC na Senapati FC bu Panjil ani sinoda Thuiki bani Under 13 Boys Inter Club Football League Tournament lising ani kulumdoy kungamari ki ngasi sanakiba match ta Poloy Football Club na Golden FC Ebu Panjil Mari amada Thuikre atopa match amada IMA Football Academy na Star Sporting Club u Panjil mga sinoda Thuiki atopa match amada Pandam FF amasung TYDA Panjil ani chanaduna draw oikre ani suba MNCA Under 23 Hawam Biramangol Singh Memorial Trophy lising ani kungamari kungamangagi ngasi tawthong da sanakiba match ta Rule Maitram na Blue Hawk Raibu wicket tarukta Thuikre Thobal gi Moising Public Ground da sanakiba match atopa match amada RCA Lilong na YPHCUC Lalambung Makungbu run Chahumgo Humpumari da Thuiki Khangabok Part 3 Public Ground da sanakiba match ta YWC Langthabal na Force Ketragau bu run Chamaga Marfuma Panda Thuiki Laren Jump Public Ground da sanakiba match ta KASC Kumidok na Sedo Thangmai Banbu run kuntra tarukta Thuiki Kiran
Aroi badamaru pau amohanna Sahi amaga tha taramathoi phajalaklaba Manipur gi irang ngasi Supreme Court ki just mangana saba mihut kangbu amana laktuna yangsin krai Rajapal Ajay Kumar Bhalana Iroi Shembagi College of Agriculture masung Lamfelfat ki College of Food Technology da nauna samgatpa infrastructure singamadi innovation project kaya hangdokrai IGR South Major General Raburup Singh na hairi Manipur tholibi rang asi loisinduna santi purak na bohana bada nupi singi thodang yamna chawi Manipur Youth League Mayor na sinba numinini chathagadaba Youth for National Regeneration ngasidigi Imphal da hokre amasung ISRO na hairi kumja lisingani ni phu phawgi manungda Bharatna thagi lemai de khongda na bohanari pauloi jare